Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. What Chapter 5 Simulation Exam. If you want to do this complete exam and if you want to do this complete my library course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. And you can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, all assignments, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. So we'll click on what Chapter 5 Simulation Exam. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I can do all my laboratory courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access. And I can do all other online courses, my lab accounting, my lab math, my lab finance, macroeconomics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. So we'll click on start button. This exam will be started right now. So we will launch our exam. Okay. Question 1 is that for made the document to display as two columns, we will go to the layout tab in the page setup group, click on column button, click on two button. So click the view tab and view the document as one page. We will go to the view tab. In the zoom group, click on one page. Set the document margins to moderate. We will go to the layout tab in the page setup group, click on margin button. We will select moderate. Set the two columns to display with the right presets and a line between them. Set the width of left column to 4.1 inches and with 1.25 inches of spacing. After it, press tab and then apply the change. We will go to the columns, set the two columns, go to the layout tab in the page setup group, click on columns button, click on more columns. So with the right preset and line between them, and click on number of column is 2, so width is 4.1 and 0.25 inches, so inches, and spacing after it 0.25 inches after spacing. Okay, so insert a continuous section break at the beginning of the document. We will go to the page breaks button and click on continuous break. Okay, question is completed now. So the next question is question number 2. Ensure that the insertion point is at the beginning of the document. Type book trends, press enter 2 times. Ensure that the insertion point at the beginning of document is okay. So type book trends, and press enter 2 times. Okay. Position the insertion point in the paragraph must head at the top of document and set the shading style to 100%. We will go to the home tab in the paragraph group. We will select paragraph must head at the top of document. Okay, and shading to 100%. So 100%, click on OK. Select the must head book trends, change the font to copper black and change the font size to 36 point. We will select this book trends, change the font to copper black. We will go to the font style in the home tab in the font group, go to font style, we will select copper black, font style, copper black. Here is copper black. Here is copper black. And change the font size to 36 point. Okay. So center the must must head masthead. Okay. Masthead, center the masthead. So insert two columns, one row table below the masthead. We will go to the insert tab. In the tables group, we will insert two columns, one row, two columns and one row. So in the first cell, type volume 2 number 12. In the first cell, we'll type volume 2 number 12. Number 12. Okay, question is completed now. So moving on question number 3. In question number 3, in the paragraph that begins books and more books, format the B in the first occurrence a book as a drop cap using the dropped option with the default setting. In the paragraph that begin book. Okay. So format the B is the first occurrence of books as drop cap using dropped option with the default setting. Go to the insert tab in the text group, click on dropped. So bold the line shown in the right column reading best selling books of all time. Bold the line reading best selling books of all time. We select this line reading best selling books of all time and we will go to the home tab in the font group apply bold. So question is completed. The next question of this exam is question number 4. Open Microsoft Excel. From the documents folder, open the Excel workbook named bestseller. We will search, go to the document folder, we will open our Microsoft Excel. We will open the Excel workbook named bestseller. Go to the open, go to this, go to browse and go to document folder, select this bestseller file and click on open. So select cell A1 to B6 and copy the data to the clipboard. Click the word icon on the taskbar to return the word paste the Excel data as a linked Microsoft Office Excel worksheet object on the blank paragraph after the heading in the right column reading best selling books of all time. We select A1 to B6, copy to the clipboard. Okay. And click the word icon on the taskbar to return the word paste the Excel data as a linked Microsoft Office Excel worksheet object on the blank paragraph after the heading in the right column reading best selling book of all time. Copy and paste here. Paste special, click on paste link Microsoft Excel workbook object, click on OK. So return to the Excel worksheet in cell A1 type book or novel, press tab. Okay, click on cell A1 and we will type in the formula bar book or novel and press tab. Save the workbook, go to the file tab and click on save button. Click the word icon on the taskbar to return the Word document. Update the link so that the link data in the Word matches that in Excel. Okay, update link. So question is done now.